Yo, it's your boy Foster with Tech A Day, and I got a good deal for you. If you're heading out to the movies anytime this weekend or anytime, and you are a Costco member, you are going to want to go head over and pick up one of these movie tickets and gift card packs. They are $39, basically $40 at Costco, right? You get 2 black tickets and a $20 gift card. The tickets alone, if you're going to a normal non-matinee showing, that's over $40 right there, already paid back. Plus, you get a $20 AMC gift card. Now, the gift card, you could use the gift card to buy another ticket, or you could use the gift card like I did to get yourself some concessions at the concession stand. So this is easily a nice night out at the movie, all in one package right here. And if you're playing it correctly, and I'm gonna give you the hack to using this and how to use it to its fullest potential. When you redeem this and you follow the directions and you get the ticket sent, which is immediate. Once you fill in the codes and you do the stuff, it takes like maybe 3 minutes to do. You can order your tickets online with this packet. Now, what they don't tell you is if you use the ticket in person at the theater, it covers your whole ticket. It's a ticket, you see the movie. You don't pay anything extra. If you redeem it online, and I hope somebody at Costco or AMC sees this and reaches out, because I was using this thing for years and I feel like I got cheated, because if you redeem the ticket online at AMC online to buy a ticket, the ticket only covers like maybe $13 or $15 worth of ticket price. And so if you're like me and your non-matinee showing is $15, $16 now, I know like California's like 20 some dollars or something like that now, you got to pay the extra on top of the ticket. And so at first I thought that was just how it was, until I actually went to the theater and realized, oh no, this ticket covers your whole ticket. So the major play here is if you buy this, it might take some planning. Take the ticket to the theater ahead of when you plan on going. If you can, buy your ticket at the theater maybe a couple days in advance, and then you have it and you don't have to pay anything extra. If that's a little too inconvenient, obviously you can go online and you can use it, but chances are you're gonna have to pay a little bit extra on top, because the black tickets only cover, I want to say like $15 of the ticket price, and anything over that you end up having to pay. And I'll do some more research on this and see why that is, but that's how that works out. So yeah, it's still a good deal. Basically you get 2 tickets and a $20 gift card. So if you have a Costco membership, this is great for date night out with kids, whatever it is. If you're going to the movies, this is a great hack to do it and save a little money doing it. Talk to you guys later.